Hey, what's up? Have you ever wondered why the moon covers the sun exactly during an eclipse? Well, here it is. Right here is the sun, 93 million miles away. Okay. Let me zoom on into the moon. Right here, this red thing. And here's the Earth. Okay. My little camera. And the yellow and the red. See how perfectly it covers it, right? Now check this out. Let's go back. Let's just move the sun in just a little bit. See what happens. Just move it to maybe we'll say right there. Why not? Go back to this camera view from the Earth. And wow, look at that. There's the sun. Move it back. Actually, we'll just move it farther away. We'll go right here. Go back to this camera view. You don't see the yellow at all. Move it back. Camera view, and you see the yellow perfectly. Amazing, isn't it?